Taking my fucking bumper off again. Yeah, I did it one time to put that grill on, and I was like, I never ever want to do this again. And here we are, like 5 years later, time to do it again. Yeah. Today we're putting on a front mount intercooler. Next weekend, hopefully putting on a new bigger turbo. Kind of just prep for that. Getting it done today so I don't have to do both things next weekend, because that would be kind of suck. That's a lot. Later we're gonna weld this fool's car. Try to. This piece of exhaust right here. Hopefully I don't screw it up. This guy's trying to go all racer on me with his Civic. I'm just messing with you. This is nice. I don't know who did the welds on the inside, but
some Chinese kid probably.
Some Chinese kid probably over in Thailand, Bangkok. That looks alright. Oh God, maybe not. You know, it'll be good. It'll be good. We're gonna see. I got a crappy Harbor Freight welder. We're gonna see what we can do. Tell you what it won't look like these TIG welds that that Chinese kid did, because I can't do that. All right, take this mic off me before I say something that I can't like bleep out.
Like what?
What?
There. Cancelled.
Drug. CBD drug.
CBD's nuts in your mouth.
How about that? Especially Jacob. He's so cool.
I'm cool. I'm super cool.
I especially like the way he sits there and does nothing.
You know what's cooler than being ice cold?
Ice cold.
You know what's cooler than being cold is ice cold.
You fucked that. You fucked it
Fuck
up.
that one up.
You ruined it. I ruined it. I can't remember if all this is attached or not. I really hope not, dude. Oh shit, so really? Oh. Oh. Fuck. You see how heavy this fucker is? It's like 4 times as heavy as the old one.
I can't believe they gave you all of that when you bought stickers.
I know. They're expensive stickers. Or a small one and a unibit to make the hole wide enough. Thanks, buddy. I really appreciate the help. Oh, well, come on, we'll get it for you. Bad job. I did that. going nowhere.
Well then, I guess we're done for today.
Day 2, his, what was it, intercooler?
Yesterday we put on a front mount intercooler on my car.
And it took a lot longer than we were anticipating.
Okay.
So it got a little dark, stopped recording, everything's back together. So we had to postpone the welding the muffler on the hunk of shit for today. So he's going to attempt to not butcher it. Yeah,
Yeah.
should be fun.
Wish me luck.
L's in chat.
I'm gonna do some practice.
They lied to me. Fucking lied to me. Oh no, it's a 2.25.
Hell no.
Oh, it's a 2-inch.
I lied to you about that, but that's the only next step down. So you had to get it regardless.
So I need 2-inch.
Inch 3/4 maybe?
Fucking.
I'd buy 1 3/4 and I'd buy 1.5 as well. Just keep stepping down.
It's probably a step down. It's probably 175. No. I'm doing. Right. Look at those welds.
Don't.
Look at those
Don't.
welds.
This is a shitty ass machine, alright?
Look, as long as it gets fucking welded, I do not care.
So, is it okay if I stare directly into what he's welding?
So I actually would not suggest you do that.
No, do two now.
Like that. Look at that shit, buddy.
Your engines!
So, Ryan got the muffler welded on last time, but what I didn't show you is I actually got a pair of new wheels, Vors TR4s, 17 by 8x35, I believe. Then I got the alignment done by Streamline Performance and Concord. And then I got my roof rack back on. Got rid of the mesh in my bumper. Going to get another pair of wheels for the front. Still trying to do that whole pseudo track look. So, you know, maybe I might do some wider wheels in the front. I don't know yet. Just haven't got around the time to do it. So, but yeah, we got everything done, got everything squared away. We got good fitment now. So hopefully you guys enjoy the video.
When?
It's recording now.
Oh, nice. All right, today we are swapping out my turbo. Another thing on the long list of things that I've been doing. I don't know if you know anything about Audis. Going from a KO3 to a KO4 hybrid. Hopefully this won't be too bad. Might be kind of bad. Tops in terms of taking it out would be 4 hours. Like 3 in, 3 out, or just 4 all around if I'm lucky. Let's dig into it.
Currently swapping parts from that turbo to that turbo. This is the tedious part, like really tedious part.
You know who made it.
Hello, are we ready? So we got the stupid turbo in. Oh my god, it took forever. I'm hoping that 2 of the bolts on the bottom I didn't just about snap off. I'm not going to touch them. I'm afraid to touch them again. Other than that, everything's in. We're about to top it back off with fluid, coolant, and dump a bunch of oil up in there. And then we're going to go inside and we're going to bring our computer and a television out here and flash it with the new flash, stage 3 flash, KO4, and start it up and piss off the neighbors probably.
Yeah, we should have been done like hours ago,
Yeah.
but somebody decided to buy that stuff. Means extra work time. That's what that means. Yeah. So he's
Should be a bunch of butt cheeks.
flash it, run it, make sure it's not leaking, and then yeah, he unlocks the 20,000 RPM rev limiter 2-step tune. He unlocks the 4-step tune. It's because you have over-engineered people, like, you know, just buy a Honda.
Get something to make these just look better.
So as you hear, we got the car all assembled. He got the car all assembled. I did absolutely nothing. Car's running. Coolant's currently getting burped. He has to flash tune it, and I think that's about it. But it's like 11, so we're gonna call it a day. So, enjoy. Buy some stickers. Don't forget about that shit. Stickers help us do all of this shit. Subscribe to the channel. Find us fucking around with shit like this. Share it too. Tell your friends about us. I'm sure someone will enjoy it.
We got done last night. This took forever. It really sucked. This morning, ran it for a little bit, checked for leaks. Hooked up the computer and the TV in the garage, flashed it. All ready for it. Took out for a drive, went back, double checked it for leaks. It's all good. Just giving you a little bit of sound clip.
Now you should listen to this because this concerns you.